Welcome to Ikigai Studios.
Are you looking to improve your reading skills but don't have the time or resources to join a course or community? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing with you some practical and unique ways to develop reading skills. Whether you're a busy professional or a student looking to excel in your studies, these tips will help you become a more confident and effective reader in no time. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some game-changing reading strategies. 1. Set aside dedicated time for reading. Choose a time of day when you can dedicate at least 30 minutes to an hour to reading. Make this a regular habit, even if it's just a few days a week. 2. Start with books that interest you. Choose books that you are interested in and that align with your personal or professional goals. This will make reading more enjoyable and engaging, which will help you develop your skills faster. 3. Read actively. As you read, actively engage with the text by asking questions, making connections to your own life, and taking notes. This will help you retain information and deepen your understanding of the material. 4. Read different types of material. Don't limit yourself to just one type of reading material. Mix it up by reading different genres, fiction and non-fiction, and even different mediums like blogs, articles, and newspapers. 5. Use technology to your advantage. Many e-readers and reading apps offer features that can help improve your reading skills. For example, you can adjust the font size, change the background color, or use the built-in dictionary to look up unfamiliar words. 6. Read aloud. Fluency, pronunciation, and comprehension can all be improved by reading aloud. Read slowly and concentrate on pronouncing each word clearly. 7. Discuss with others. Find a friend or member of your family who is interested in the same book as you and have a discussion about it with them. This will expose you to various viewpoints and aid in the consolidation of your knowledge on the subject. 8. Take breaks. Taking short breaks while reading can help you avoid mental fatigue and maintain your focus. Try to take a 5-minute break every half hour or so. 9. Try speed reading. This reading method might help you read more quickly and effectively. Numerous online resources and applications are available to you for practicing this skill. 10. Make a reading list. Keeping yourself motivated and concentrated can be achieved by making a list of books you wish to read. Both fresh books that you've found and novels that you've been intending to read for a while can be included. Thank you for watching our video on realistic strategies to enhance your reading skills. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling inspired to take your reading skills to the next level. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comments which of these tips you're most excited to try out and how you plan to implement it into your reading routine. Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and strategies on personal and professional development. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.